मेरा नाम रोहित कांतिलाल सालवी है और मैं इस पटोला के काम में लास्ट 56 ईयर से काम कर रहा हूँ और मुझे शिल्पी गुरु अवार्ड और नेशनल अवार्ड भी मिला हुआ है। और मैंने हमारे लड़के को पढ़ाया लिखाया। एक लड़का आर्किटेक्ट है, एक सिविल इंजीनियर है, एक फिजियोथेरापिस्ट है, लेकिन वो तीनों लड़कों को ये पटोला की कला जो ट्रेडिशन है वो लुप्त न हो जाए, इसलिए मैंने वो तीनों लड़कों को इसी काम में ज्वाइन किया हुआ है। और ये हमारा काम है 900 सालों से पाटन में चल रहा है।
Myself Savan Salvi. I am a master weaver of double ikat Patan Patola, and I am the 28th generation of the Salvi family. And here is the Silpaguru Rohit Salvi, who is my teacher, and I have got training from his guidance. I am presently working over here since from last 22 years, and Mr. Rohit Salvi is working since from last 56 years. Rohit Salvi is the only most experienced master weaver of Patan Patola in present time. And I would like to share some information about the original and authentic patola. We are the only authentic, the oldest and genuine family, and the only family using natural colors. There are so-called people claiming for natural colors usage, but nobody is using natural colors. So I would like to aware you what is natural color and what is the genuine and original patola that we are going to see over here. Here is the original blue Patan patola, and first, it is bit lightweight. We are the only family who can make the most lightest weight of patola sari. And how to identify original patola? You can see here, this is our most premium and most traditional pattern called Blue Navratna design. This particular patola sari has got natural colors, purest natural colors. This blue color is derived from this natural indigo. You can see this is natural indigo. This orange color is derived from madder roots. Here are the madder roots. And maroon color is derived from catechu and lac. So these are the original natural colors, and for this we have been recognized by the UNESCO in 2004 as an authentic natural dye users. Normally in so-called shops, showrooms of Salvis and so-called master weavers, people claiming they are not the original weavers. What is the originality? Here, as I explained you, original patola is very lightweight. This particular Navratna design, what you are looking, is the with most defined quality of weave in patola sari. As well, this all colors are very fast colors, and for patola, it is said that the design laid down in Patan patola, it may turn but it shall never fade. Mean this patola sari has a life of more than 100 years, and you can give it to your next generation. And original patola has no any GI authentication. What people are saying on the name of GI, that is mostly Rajkot made 99.99% pieces of patola, so-called patola is made from Rajkot, and they are selling in the shops or markets on the name of authentic Patan patola. While original authentic patola is only woven at Patan Patola Heritage. Here is some my little brief explanation of my masters. These are the generations of the family, and here are the national awards. We have won 4-time national awards, 2-time Silpa Guru awards, and we have some appreciation certificate from the different countries like US, Japan, Canada, Philippines, Indonesia. These are the many countries also recognize our family as an authentic master weaver family.